to our YouTube channel, be it the boarding schools or the vocational colleges, private universities or government schools, wrestling centers or accounting colleges, you will find the related video catalogs in this channel. Here we have tried to give you the best information related to various educational and training institutions in many cities. If you want us to make the video for any particular locality, do write us in the comment area. Please check out our latest video uploaded for you and a video that you may like. Once again, please subscribe our YouTube channel.